In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Alibaba. Whether you're using Chrome on your desktop or browsing through the Alibaba app on your mobile device, altering the language setting is a quick and straightforward process that can greatly enhance your shopping experience. Let's get started and make sure you can navigate this global marketplace in the language of your choice. First off, open up Alibaba.com if you're on a desktop. Launch your Chrome browser and simply type in the URL alibaba.com. On the other hand, if you're using your mobile device, open the Alibaba app, ensuring that you have it downloaded if you haven't done so already. With the page or app now open, let's move to the next step. Now that you're on the home page, you'll want to head towards the bottom of the screen. If you're using a desktop browser, scroll down to the very end of the page until you reach the footer section. For those using the Alibaba app, there's a slightly different step. Look out for the settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear symbol. Give that a tap. Once you arrive at the footer or tap the settings icon, you'll notice a range of options available. Your focus should now be on locating the language drop-down menu. It's usually easy to spot as it often stands out along with other navigation settings. Go ahead and click or tap on this drop-down menu, which will present you with an array of language options. Now comes the personalized part of our journey. With the list of languages displayed, you can choose the language that suits you best. This might be your native language or perhaps a second language with which you're more comfortable. Simply scroll through, find your preferred choice, and make your selection with a single click or tap. Ensure you've chosen the right language, as it will dictate how the rest of the site communicates with you. With your preferred language now selected, sit back for a moment. The website or app will automatically refresh itself to reflect your change. This means that from this point forward, all your searches, product descriptions, and overall site content will now appear in the language you've chosen, making your navigation smoother and more rewarding. And there you have it. Changing the language on Alibaba is just that easy. It's a simple adjustment, yet can make a world of difference in how you interact with the site. Whether you're shopping for the latest gadgets or finding unique wholesale items, having the site in your selected language will make your shopping experience more effective and enjoyable. Be sure to revisit these steps if you ever need to switch languages again. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!